Hi guys, you're welcome back once again to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to register on CoinGecko step by step. So if you want to track every crypto prices in the market, earn rewards like candies, which is often used to redeem valuable offers from the app, and also stay connected with the market, then this is a platform you definitely need as a crypto um, trader or anyone that wants to be serious with cryptocurrency or Web3 in general. So you have to watch this video to the end, and let's get started. First of all, this app is on Play Store and is also available on the Apple Store. So you can use the link at the video description, or you can just go to any of the Play Stores and download this app. This is the logo and this is the name. And then when you open the app, you click on it. And meanwhile, you can also access the app directly from the website, but it's always more convenient using the phone, right? So when you click on it, it's going to open up this, and then it will show you to continue. It will demand that you continue with either your Google or your Apple, but I don't always prefer these options due to security reasons. So always use these options, all right? Always use the option of continue with email so that I can insert your email personally. Don't always use this option. I don't always advise using this option, all right? So that nothing gets saved in your server. Okay, so always use this option whenever you want to register here in the app. So after clicking on it, it's going to take you right here. You insert your email right here. You can see you insert your email right here, and after inserting your email, it's going to take you right here, and then you insert the password. You create an account for yourself, all right? And then after creating an account, it's gonna take you right here. If any button pops out for you to highlight, go ahead and highlight the button. Okay, like in case any button shows up to highlight right at the bottom here, just click on it. But if it doesn't, just go ahead with the process. Okay, and then it's going to take you right here. What you have to do is to click right here, highlight this I'm not human, I'm human, highlight it. Okay, and then afterwards the system is gonna log you in automatically after creating the email. Then the password is gonna be sent to your email that you used in registering, that you inserted. Then that password, just go ahead and click on that confirmation link. All right, like a confirmation link will be sent to your email. Go and click on it, and before then, click right here to save your informations. All right, and then you go to your email. Go and click on that email that was sent to you. All right, just click on it. As soon as you click on it, it's gonna open up this page right here. Now, what you have to do is to, whenever it shows up this information is simply telling you that you can actually track any cryptocurrency address from this CoinGecko app. Any address that you know, that any wallet address that you want to track, or any influencer's wallet address that you want to track, or you want to know how much that the influencer has in that wallet address, you can just copy that and come down here in the app and insert it. All right, it's just giving you information of what you can see in the app, but just go ahead and click on skip for now. You click on that skip for now, and then it will show up this. It will show up this. You can either decide to just test run this by pasting any address right here, but if you don't want to do that, just don't worry about it. Just click next, click on skip for now, and then skip again, and then just go ahead and click on this continue skipping. You skip again, and then it's going to take you right here. Just go ahead and click on finish to finish the setup process, and then it's going to take you right here. Okay, it's going to take you right here, and then the app is going to open up automatically for you. All right, so congratulations, this is the app that has just opened. You have successfully created an account. So in this app, you can actually earn some candies. These candies can be used to redeem valuable gifts and items. Most times you can earn gift cards, most times you can earn airdrop rewards by just always checking up on these candies, claiming these candies every time. As soon as you click on these candies, it will take you right here to be claiming. What you have to do is always claim these candies. Okay, whenever you click on this page, you let it load, and then you can see here this page, it has shown up this. Always tap here. All right, always tap this collect candy. As soon as you collect enough, you can redeem them. All right, it's going to show this. Go ahead and tap on sweet. I've just typed on sweet. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see everything that you can redeem. You can use to redeem. You can use the candies and redeem. You can get 25% of Paris blockchain week tickets by just having with just 150 of these candies. And if you scroll down here, there are a lot of things you can redeem for free right here. And this one, you can actually download this ebook for free, this how to Bitcoin book for free with just 10 candies. So in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you how to redeem them step by step with the candies. So always check out the video description for those videos. Okay, so these are some of the things you can withdraw, you can use to redeem with just this CoinGecko candies. There are a lot of them. All right, so let's go back, and then here you can track any cryptocurrency right here. So now what you can do with this app is that, first of all, you can track any favorite cryptocurrency from this app. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies in this CoinGecko that you can track. All right, and also you can create a personalized watch list whereby any coin that you know that is going to rise after, let's say, 2 or 3 months, you can always tap on that coin. Let's say I'm expecting this coin USD1 to rise. I can add it up to my watch list. I can just tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, it's going to take you right here. Then you can come down here and tap it here to add it to your watch list. All right, to add it to your watch list. Okay, so as soon as I type there, I'm going to add it to my watch list. So anytime that this cryptocurrency is going to be rising, I'm always going to be notified. Now you can create a portfolio where you can be adding all your favorite cryptocurrencies or assets right here by clicking right here. After creating the portfolio, you can now be adding all your coins that you have. You are sure that they are going to be rising in a few weeks time or thereabout, right? By just creating a portfolio here on CoinGecko. I hope this is clear enough. Now, another thing you can do is to earn CoinGecko, like I said, is to earn CoinGecko Candies, which can be used to redeem a lot of rewards. Okay, a lot of rewards, and you can learn about more airdrop projects and other cryptocurrency projects from this app right here. By tapping on this search bar, you can learn about a lot of crypto apps right here. Okay, so these are some of the few things that you can actually do in this app, and I've just explained how to register and also deep down a little bit to some things you can do with this app. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping more insightful videos, you'll always be notified on time. So see you in the next video.